Speaking of stocks that have been doing well, though, Canoo has been doing really well over the last couple days. It's up over 20% in just the last couple of days. Stock ticker symbol is GOEV, and this is mainly because of what has been going on with the Joe Biden administration and the infrastructure bill that they're talking about. So right now, Joe Biden and the administration have been talking about passing a multi-trillion-dollar infrastructure bill. It's only been proposed at this point, but in this bill, what's been proposed already would have $174 billion for electric vehicles. It would also have hundreds of billions of dollars for electric power grid and things like that as well. So according to Morgan Stanley, they've pointed that there's a lot of potential and a lot of big advantages for a pure play electric vehicle company if this bill were to go through. And that's why a lot of people have been turning to Canoo, stock ticker symbol GOEV, because it's a pure play electric vehicle company. It's a smaller one out there. Market cap is around $2.4 billion. And while recently they did have a partnership that sort of fell through with Hyundai, there's still a lot to like about them. They have an electric pickup truck, they have delivery vans, and they've had a lot of demand and a lot of people who have shown a lot of confidence in their electric pickup truck. Some people think it looks like a toy, but at the same time, it's very practical, very functional, and the whole reason they're designing it, the whole vision behind it, is to make it as practical as possible for someone who uses a truck. So right now, they say they're a tech-first, industry-second company. Their software and hardware are on connected platform that can capitalize for the full multi-owner life cycle of a vehicle, and that's where they're focusing on making their money. They said 70 to 80% of profitability will be generated across multiple owner life cycle of a vehicle. So they've built in a lot of revenue touch points for each time someone buys a vehicle, and that, with aftermarket customizations, with a couple of other things, but that is what they're focusing on now. They're focusing on building their own brand right now, their own vehicles, rather than worry about the partnerships. Later on, they say they could always go back, worry about the partnerships down the road. But either way, lot to like about this company. It is high risk, high reward. If, their electric pickup truck doesn't do well, that'll be a big issue because they're banking on that doing extremely, extremely well.